difficult to wait for a long period of time bengatholi. Ilento ke Ndlovukazi eyaprompta amasonto ukuthi aqale i-matchmaking. And siyazi ukuthi most
lento yokubonisa
i-matchmaking iqale lapho. Siyazi ukuthi matchmaking doesn't work. Uyazi Ndlovukazi khona umfundisi oku-invitile eGrahamstown, a very popular preacher, ngicela ungamusho kwamanje igama lakhe. She has invited me in Grahamstown to come and talk about this topic. Uthi benomfana wakhe, they're now both preachers. Into abashayile 2005 baqala i-program ye-matchmaking esontweni lakhe. But uthi recently umfana wakhe umtshele something disturbing. Ukuthi almost 200 couples abawa matchmaker, only 14 are still married.
Oh my word.
All of them divorced.
Oh my word.
Only 14.
Is that what you want?
Now that's my problem. That's my problem. Is sexual deprivation can lead ekutheni umuntu abe tempted to access pornography, agcine emasturbate.